Alright, so I know I sucked at vlogging today, but it was a very laid-back, chill kind of a day. Merry Christmas to all of you, first off. It was such a great Christmas. I'm going to insert a picture of my lunch plate here. I was a bit nervous about the ham and the noodles. I was gonna do the rotisserie chicken, but my grandma bought a very, very lean ham. And the lady, or my nutritionist, told me that pork was okay. I know she preferred organic, but I didn't on that paper. If you can't afford organic, do the leanest cut possible. So I just said, alright, let's try this. We did have cooked pineapple, so I made that risk. And I'm just praying to God that it goes all well for me. I'm so, I'm nervous about it, but it's alright. It is what it is. Yeah, I ate that. We played games for part of the day until my cousin... I played games with my cousin and his wife. My other cousin and her husband are actually not here this year for Christmas. They're in a different state, so they weren't here for Christmas. So we just played games, and then when they left, my aunt and uncle stayed, so we all just like talked and caught up and stuff. So yeah, that's how we do our Christmases. Very laid back, very chill. We opened gifts last night on Christmas Eve. That's just how we do it. So awesome. Today was just a very laid back, awesome Christmas. So I really, really enjoyed that. But basically, I'm a little sad. This is the end of Vlogmas. Oh, it's the end. I'm not saying, I can't commit to saying vlogs are done for good. I can't say that. I don't plan on daily vlogging. I can tell the majority of you don't want daily vlogs either. Because I went from 1,000 views almost on this beginning of the vlogs, and now it's down to nothing, hard to. So vlogging's not for me. This is not a long-term thing. This was just a fun thing I decided to do during Christmas. And I thoroughly enjoyed it. Vlogs aren't gone. I'm going to take the next few minutes and just kind of discuss with you what my plans are. Since Vlogmas is going away, what I'm going to do. So tomorrow is Wednesday. We're getting a new mega. So tomorrow's going to be a day filled with Kroger videos. We're going to have number one. We're going to have a video up about the Kroger couponing deals like I always do every Wednesday. We're also going to have a video up tomorrow about all the participating items in the mega event. So 2 Kroger videos tomorrow. Then on Thursday, we're going to do an official Walmart couponing matchups video. That is Thursday. Friday, I'm going to have up a video about the Kroger 4-day sale, as well as a coupon insert preview for the P&G Brand Saver. Saturday, I will have Kroger ad preview up, and Sunday, new printables is coming back. Haven't done it the last 2 weeks, there's just not been any new printables. And I acknowledge that, and that's probably why I'm not going to get... I'll be honest with you, this month I don't think I'm going to get my commission from the coupons printing site. Because it's just not been there. There's a minimum of $100 I have to reach in order to get prints, or in order to get paid. There's just no way. Not many people have been printing this month. And unless something turns around, I'm not going to get paid from them in January or February. I don't know when that month will run through. I acknowledge that I've not really been stepping up my game, but there's just not been a lot of deals. But the deals are coming back. That's what I'm excited about. Deals are coming back, so there's going to be more for me to do. And like I did a couple weeks ago, Kroger's going to be the primary focus from now on. We are still going to talk about Walmart. But Kroger, we're going to do more on Kroger in this upcoming year. That's what we're going to do. So I want to try different things, like maybe the Kroger $5 meal challenge or something like that. I'm really excited to try out things like that. I'm thinking that's a good idea. ClickList, I did share a ClickList deal, and it kind of epically failed because apparently that digital coupon for the Quip quit working. I don't understand. Many of you got gypped out of that. I feel bad, but it's not honestly my fault. It looks like they changed it to no longer work on that, even though it's still under the qualifying items. Someone even said about the Orida fries and the coupon didn't work. So I just think that digital coupon's causing problems, so I don't know. I want to share more ClickList deals, though, for that sector of you who like ClickList only, because there's a lot of deals to be had with ClickList that I can't share in my in-store Kroger videos because you can't do them in the store, so I just don't share them. So I want to start working on more click lists and the meal prep thing, or the meal planning videos. Bring stuff like that about Kroger specifically. That's where, that's what you're here for. I acknowledge that. So then the next year, that's kind of what I'm looking more towards. I will for sure still do hauls. Let's say I go back to Rite Aid. I will go back to Rite Aid. I'm going to do a haul video for Rite Aid, for that sector of you who want it. CVS, I am not promising anything with them. I am still extremely frustrated about what happened there last. However, I have like $21 in ECBs, so I just feel like I have to go back. I don't know though, honestly, if I'm going to go back. I'll at least use the ECBs. Am I going to keep trying to roll? I don't know. There was nothing this week at all. I saw not one thing. Haven't even looked into next week. I'll look. But it's just like beyond annoying to me still that like that L'Oreal CRT that was literally theirs didn't even work. And I don't feel like dealing with stuff like that. I have too much stress in my life to deal with that. So I don't know. But I will for sure still show hauls. But the primary focus of the Ohio Valley Couponer channel now is more Kroger videos. And I want to bring more Kroger content. So this is actually a good thing for most of you. I'm going to be doing more about Kroger than I have in the past. I usually only post about Kroger on Wednesdays and Fridays. Or, Wednesdays and Saturdays. And if there is a midweek sale, I'll throw it in. I'm planning on having something about Kroger just about every day, is what the future of this channel is looking like. So, good news for you all. No guarantees on when all this is going to start. I'm hoping to get a lot of these new things launched by the first of the year. Like the meal challenge and stuff. I'm going to really look into that tomorrow because I'm excited about that. I think there's a great future for things like that on this channel. But I don't know. I might do the meal prep videos and no one cares about meals you can get for $5 at Kroger. I don't know. That's just something we're going to look into next week. I'm really excited about that though. Because I think a lot of you have told me, you want to see more stuff about dinners. And some of you even told me that I've, kept you out of the food pantry. And that's just such a good feeling. So I want to be able to show you how, a lot of you might understand, I want to show you how to be able to take couponing and get dinners out of it. Now for me with this whole crumbs thing, I can't eat the dinners myself. But I know a lot of you, if you don't have health problems, you totally can eat some of these things. So I'm going to show you next week. I'm going to try it, I think, with the meals. That won't be up on Wednesday. That'll probably be up on Sunday, would be my guess. So you'll have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. You only have 3 days to get that. I don't know. I'm still weighing all that stuff out, trying to figure it out. But I plan to have that up by the 1st of the 1st of January. I'm not sure when I'm going to start the meal videos. Probably, I don't know if it'll happen this week or not. I'll have to see. I'll have to think about it. I'm planning on having a lot of the new stuff. I want to have it all worked out by January 1st. So I'm going to be going back to school, and I want to have my feet wet and know what I'm doing. Also, by January 1st, which is why it's crunch time, I got to hurry and do it. I want to do that How to Coupon in 2019 crash course video. I think people are going to want to, they're going to want to stumble across it, and they're going to want to know how to do this kind of stuff. How to coupon, how to organize, how to do all that. I'm going to talk about all that stuff. I want to do a huge video about it. Maybe separate ones. I've not decided that yet. That's why I got to hurry and move on. Talking about couponing. Just every single thing you need to know about couponing in 2019, because it's changed. I've seen other videos on YouTube, but it's just not the same as it was a couple of years ago. There's a lot of changes. People need to know about the rebate apps and about the digital coupons and all this stuff. So I am going to have that up, and I hope to have that up by January 1st. So there's a lot of work I need to get done this week. So yeah, that's the future. And my videos aren't going away. But I've noticed, like I said, a lot of things have changed since I've got Crohn's, and it's impacted my videos. Like the hauls. A lot of you probably don't really care what groceries I'm buying anymore because they're not good deals. I'll be honest, they're not good deals at all. I don't have a choice until, hopefully, Kroger starts giving me coupons for Simple Truth stuff, because I don't have any. I'm still getting best customer for all the stuff I used to buy. So that's the problem right now. But I'm trying. I am trying. So yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to in the future. It was a great Christmas, and I just want to take a time of reflection. I am so thankful to all of you who've watched these vlogs. I have really enjoyed this. I really, really enjoyed Vlogmas. And I definitely plan to vlog a little bit in the future. Hopefully I come back with some more content. Maybe a weekly vlog or something. No guarantees, but I do plan to vlog again. This is not the end of the vlogging. I just know more of you want couponing videos, so I'm not going to pour out my time into doing these vlogs like I have all December. The main reason it worked out so good in December is there was no deals to talk about. So that's why it really worked out good in December. So what I'm going to focus on from here on out is Ibotta hauls. I will still do the Ibotta hauls. Kroger deals, as always. Kroger midweek sale reminders. $5 challenge, meal challenge at Kroger. I am really looking forward to that one. Click list, more click listy stuff. Walmart matchups. If I do drugstore hauls, I'll do them. The insert preview once a week. And a new printables on Sunday. And the ad preview. So that's the plan, and that's what we're going to look forward to for the upcoming new year. I'm not really taking anything away. I'm kind of just adding to it and tweaking a little bit. So, yeah, that is pretty much all I have for now. I really, really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas. Hope you all had a Merry, Merry Christmas, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.